Hey Savannah, it's Bill Wheatley from Embroid Me. Wanted to give you a 50,000 foot or a bird's eye view of your quote and hopefully pick up some things in case you have any questions. This is the quote. I've attached it along with the credit card authorization form for you to take a look at. But the polo that we looked at was the K573. That's the men's version. Down here is the L573. That's the same shirt, same material, just a different cut in the women's version. I have, here's the sizes. I have one piece medium, I have one large, I have four pieces extra large, and one piece 2XL. And then in the ladies, I've got one medium and then two small. So I have a total of 10 shirts total to be embroidered left chest. And then we talked a little bit about getting your artwork redrawn. We'll send that away and get that redrawn. That's $10. And then the digitizing or the logo itself is $45. Your total out the door is $354.74, and you can pay, like I said, with a credit card, and I've attached a credit card authorization form for you to take a look at. Let's take a quick look at the artwork. I've got that open right here. So I redrew it a little bit. We've got a program that can redraw artwork. Well, we need to decide. I think that the gray is going to look just fine on the black. You had some the text. I think DFW bartending was in black on your artwork. I would recommend probably a white or a probably white, because I'm thinking that the majority of this background here is going to be in silver. One concern I might have is the size of the text, caterings, weddings, and parties. And then down at the bottom, I think you had said you wanted to get the DFW bartending at Gmail or dfwbartending.com put there. I don't so much like that. We will certainly do that if you really, really want it. But my inclination is, frankly, to leave that out. Or the other thing we can do is it's not uncommon for us to put something like that on the sleeve. To put that on the sleeve, you're looking at about a $5 additional charge per shirt. So for 10 shirts, it'd be $50. But again, we can leave it there. We can leave it there, or we could just put your website, dfwbartending.com, on there. But I would make that a little bit longer. I don't think I would put the email address on there. But I'm not opposed to maybe dfwbartending.com a little bit bigger underneath there. So we just have to be mindful that text size, like catering, weddings, and parties, I got to watch that. If that gets too small, those letters start to close up. But we can take a look at that, or we can make the left chest embroidery size a little bit larger. But wanted to give you a look at that. That's the shirt. And the ladies, I think we took a look at the men's version a little earlier. So take a look at that. We appreciate you looking at us. And if that works out okay, just reply back approved and fill out the credit card authorization form, and we'll get those shirts ordered. Let me know when your drop dead date is. I think that this is let's look real quick. We're today's the 15th, so if we get your approval back today or tomorrow morning, we can place that order tomorrow. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you're probably looking at Friday the 25th, or maybe that first week, the 29th, or the 28th or the 29th. So let me know when your actual drop dead gotta have them date is, and we will make sure that that happens. But if everything looks good, let me know. If you do decide that maybe we want to put the website on the sleeve, let me know that. We'll just add that to the quote and rebid it. You know, it's early in your process here, so my idea is maybe just put the website under the logo and save the $50. Either way is fine. Let me know.